Is the data analysis with Python course on Coursera actually worth it? And can it really help you build real data skills? In this video, I'll give you a quick and honest review so you can decide if this course is right for you. Before we start, quick tip. If you plan to take multiple data science courses, Coursera Plus is usually the better option. You can access multiple courses under one plan and build a complete learning path instead of paying for each course separately. I've linked it below if you want to explore it. Now let's talk about the course. The program is Data Analysis with Python by IBM. It's an intermediate level course with over 600,000 learners and a strong rating of around 4.7 out of 5. So it's clearly popular and well rated, but it's not designed for complete beginners. You should have basic Python knowledge before starting. Now let's look at what you actually learn. The course focuses heavily on real-world data analysis. You'll learn how to clean data, handle missing values, and prepare datasets for analysis. You'll also perform exploratory data analysis using tools like Pandas, NumPy, and visualization libraries. Another key part is building models. You'll learn how to create regression models and use them to make predictions and support decisions. This is important because it moves beyond basic coding into actual data work. One of the biggest strengths of this course is its hands-on approach. You'll work with real datasets, complete labs, and apply what you learn step by step. This makes it much more practical compared to theory-heavy courses. Another advantage is flexibility. The course is self-paced, so you can learn on your own schedule. Now let's talk about the downsides. Since it's intermediate level, beginners may find it challenging. Also, while it gives you strong fundamentals, it won't make you job ready on its own. You still need to practice and build projects. So, is it worth it? If you already know Python and want to move into data analysis, then yes, this is a very solid course. It gives you practical skills and a strong foundation. But if you're just starting out, you should begin with a Python basics course first. Now here's the smart path. Start with Python fundamentals, then take a data science or analysis course like this, and then move into machine learning. That's where Coursera Plus becomes very useful. You can follow this entire path without paying for each course separately. At the end of the day, your results will depend on how much you practice and apply what you learn. If you want to explore this course or check out Coursera Plus, you'll find the links in the description. And if you found this helpful, subscribe for more simple and honest reviews like this.